up guys, welcome to Student Science Lab, and today we are going to learn how to use microscope. And this video is for those who don't know how to use microscope but have microscope. So without waiting more, let's get started.
I know that this is a toy microscope, but actually it's an educational kit. So you can use it as a beginner and learn how to use microscope actually. So let's get started. Now at first, put off the cap from the looking lens of the microscope if you use the same microscope like me. And this microscope can go back and go forward based on the comfort of the user. And here you have to put the batteries rightly to enable the focus light of the microscope. And make sure you have put the batteries rightly because it's necessary. So this is the slide with which I am going to test. So push the slide towards the holder and set it under the holders like this. Push this button forward to turn on the focus light, and then you can see the light turn on. So this wheels on the upper side of the microscope is used to scroll the microscope looking lens up and down. And this wheels at the bottom of the microscope is used to scroll up and down the focus lens. Scroll up when you need more light and scroll down when you need less light to view the object. So this one is the largest lens with minimum lens power, which is 100x. And now let's move to the next one. So here we see that this is the medium lens with the medium lens power, which is 400x. And let's move to the next. So here we go. This is the shortest lens with maximum lens power, which is 1200x. We are going to test with this at last. Place your eye on the looking lens and let's jump into the microscope.
So at first, when your lens is scrolled up, you can see nothing like this. And when you scroll down, you can see the object clearly. And when you scroll more down, you can see nothing. So I'm setting it to the medium so that you can see the object clearly. So here you can get the clear view of the object. As it's a microscopic lens, I am having some issue to show it through mobile. And so now I'm moving it to the medium one lens, and from here you will get more clear view. So when I scroll up this, I can see nothing, and when I scroll a little down, I can see the object. And when I scroll more down, I can see nothing again. And now it's time for the shortest lens with the maximum lens power 1202. And as you can see, I can see nothing from here when you scroll it up. And as you can see, when I scroll it down to the medium, I can see the object. And when I scroll it more down, I can see nothing again. So I am setting it to the medium level again, and you are able to see the object clearly again. And all of this you saw from this microscope.